Hello guys. Baka days pa. We're going to play. My turn to go with the game. Let's go. This one we play. The last time we playing cars and now is broom broom sum sum. A motor. Ako motor sabay. And dito tayo sa city, guys, especially birthday natin, diba? Babatian mo naman sila. So comment down below. So this is one our driving. This one. This is me driver. Wait lang. Didelete ko muna. Didelete ko muna. Kasi pag walang gaganyan eh. Panis. Panis. Pupunta ko sa Manila. Ay. Hindi pala. Yun, no? So, big bike to. So, ganito yung dream car ko. Motor. Uy! Tapos, draw! Chiu! Ito ang gusto ko. Motorbike.
Balik na.
Whee! Galing ka ba? Tapos, that was for our today. Goodbye. See you next video. Goodbye.